Hello, everyone. My name is Amparo, and today I'm here to tell you about an incredible program called Eat Well to Age Well. As we get older, it can seem like our bodies just don't work the same as they used to. We have less energy, it's harder to lose weight, and things like brain fog and poor sleep become all too common. But what if I told you there was a simple solution that can help you take years off your age and feel like a new person? Introducing Eat Well to Age Well, a complete lifestyle program tailored specifically for people who want to age healthy and feel their best. Through nutrient-rich recipes, easy exercise plans, and education on how your body works as you get older, Eat Well to Age Well helps you lose weight permanently, sleep better at night, have more focus during the day, and just feel more vital overall. It's based on real whole foods you can find at any grocery store. There's no elimination diets or difficult to follow meal plans. The 10-day cycles make it easy to stick to long term. You'll still be able to enjoy your favorite foods in moderation too. Customers are absolutely loving the results they see. One woman said she lost 15 pounds and her acid reflux completely disappeared. A man in his 60s was able to stop using his CPAP machine after just 3 weeks on the program. And I even know someone who went from barely being able to walk upstairs to training for her first 5K. With a 60-day money-back guarantee, there's no risk to trying Eat Well to Age Well. Discover how you can gain more energy, look and feel younger than your age, and achieve lasting health. Click the link in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching!